So, I believe this is the first video for the Lewis and Hannah channel. So I'm going to start out by saying this. Hello, my name is Lewis and I live in Rington. I'm 17 years old and I'm doing this channel with my good friend Hannah Price, who will give herself a little introduction in the next video, which will be up sometime soon. So, hello Hannah. I can see you, well I'm talking to you probably right now as you're probably watching this, seeing as you have to respond to it. That's the point of being part of a collab channel. But anyway, hello, how are you doing? I've never done this before, it's quite weird, never mind. So, Hannah, how are you finding this year's college course? Because I mean, I know last year that you found it very, very enjoyable drawing a giant picture of a penis and a vagina in the form of a flower. Yeah, that's right. So anyway, Hannah, this is for you. So you've got to tell yourself, you've got to tell 10 random things about yourself in the next video so everybody can get acquainted with you. So that's all I had to say. That's all I had to say. So until next time, when it will be Hannah talking, I'll see you then. Goodbye.